Hi everyone, it's Miss Hazel and Miss Kate.
Hello.
Today we're going to make something super cool. We're going to make this thing. It's sort of like wacky faces. So check this out. It has these 3 parts.
Okay, so back here's my little bird friend. Oh, and then inside is my little person friend, and then my monster friend. But hang on a second. I can mix them all up. I can mix them and match them. There's my bird body with my girl. There's my monster head with my person. There's my chicken feet with my monster and the person head. So I did my art kind of quick, but you could take a long time and you could use different colors. We've just used 3 colors so you can see our different people. Okay, now we're going to show you how to make it. Start with your trusty piece of paper, and you're going to do it in thirds. Again, now you know we don't care if it's perfect here with Alameda Art, so you're gonna guesstimate. That's guessing and estimating all at once. 1/3 of your paper, and then 1/3.
And remember, 1/3 means that your paper is in 3 pieces.
3 pieces.
It's
1,
math.
2, 3. And this is just to mark your line, so you can see mine's not perfect, but it's going to work. I'm going to open it up, and guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to go the other way and make 3. 1, doing my best to find 3. There's 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so I'm going to go in close so you can see all the different lines. See all those
9,
lines?
I have 9
The marking spots?
squares. Okay,
Okay.
now I'm going to get out my scissors, and carefully, because I don't want to cut the middle section, I'm going to cut here.
Just right up
Right
to
onto
the
the
next
line.
section.
Not like
See
that.
Okay.
And then I'm going to turn my paper over, and I'm going to cut here.
Again.
You don't want to cut the middle section, because that's going to be your
Okay.
moves. Okay,
so then you
now.
get your doors.
There, yours. Okay, now I'm going to draw super quick. So let's see, I'm going to pick 3 colors just so you can see. I'm going to choose purple, and I'm going to choose green, and I'm going to choose black. So inside, I'm going to make a blackbird. So I'm going to make a head. Now imagine you've got this line here. You want your head to sit right on that line. I'm going to make an imaginary line. You don't have to do that. These are your lines. Put your body inside here, and your legs inside here, and your head here. So that when you turn the page, I'll do all my heads first so you can see. What kind of, this should be maybe a monster in here. So we're going to make a funny shaped head. With kind of some crazy hair, maybe some big ears. Forgot my nose. Okay, and then on the outside, I'm going to make one more. So I didn't use my 3 colors I picked out. I used a different color. Okay, I'll use green now. Okay. What should I make now, Miss Kate? This was my bird.
Yes.
Oh, birds don't have smiles. My bird has a smile. Some crazy hair and little feathers.
It's a bird human.
It's a bird human. There's just little feathers. Okay. Okay. Head and
And
now.
then last head, what are you going to make that?
I'm having trouble deciding. I'll just make kind of maybe a crazy head, like a fuzzle wuzzle head. And some eyes and a smile, because all of my people are happy. Okay, and some
Yes, I
eyebrows.
should go this way too so
Okay,
I can see better.
so now I have my
Okay.
heads. So you get the idea. So the first square gets your heads, and now this is my bird. So I'm going to make him a round bird body. I'm going to give him some little wings. And down here, where this line is, now I'm going to make my bird feet. If you're doing this at home, you can take as long as you want to make your... I'm sort of in a... Oh, I have to make my beak yellow, even though I said I was only going to use colors. Okay, now, next up is my funny person. So I'm going to...
He was a monster, by the way.
He was a monster. I already forgot what I'm doing. Well, my monster has a shirt, and maybe he has some stripes on his shirt. And then my monster's legs are going to be like circles, like big and crazy toes. Okay.
Say so, does he have any hands?
Oh, he needs some hands, Miss Kate. There we go. Well, he's sort of interesting. Okay, next up.
Cactus monster.
Oh, he is. He's a cactus monster. Okay, good. Now, our last one is kind of our funny. Let's see, what kind of a shape should I use that's different? Maybe his body will be square because I haven't used that shape yet, and so you'll know it's really different. And then I'm going to give him like 2 arms on each side. Feeling a little bit on the spot, so I'm having, my brain isn't really thinking so great. Miss Kate, what kind of legs should this person have? This guy.
Just like
Maybe regular. Okay.
Regular, like human legs is what I meant.
Okay.
It's regular.
All right.
Okay, so now what happens when you open it up, Miss Hazel?
First I should color his shoes. Okay, so now he's got.
It looks like that. That's fun. Oh, and he's got a crazy bird body. And
Oh, that's a funny one.
cactus legs. Bird head.
Oh, I want to try like this one. Oh, that's really funny.
Very fun.
Okay, so
It's a really fun thing, and of course we can color. You guys can color it all in.
yeah,
You can take your time. You can make lots of them.
yeah.
It's
So
a
that's
really
your
fun, like little puzzle.
Okay, so to recap, you're going to fold your paper into 3 this way. You're going to fold your paper into 3 this way, so it could actually just look like that. And then you're going to open it up carefully, and then make your cuts, and then get to work drawing. And you will have a funny little 3-person monster project.
I love that.
Okay, you can even write on it too and give it to somebody as a holiday card. Hi, Grandma, I miss you. There you go. All right, there you have it. We're going to do this one on the next time we see you. So,
Okay. Bye, everybody.
bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody. See you next week.